Anahita Sedaghatfar is here. She's a lawyer who practices civil litigation in state and federal courts, and her specialties include sexual harassment. And, look, this guy's the face. You can argue he's the face of the Me Too movement, and he's in trouble.
Yes, and this is long overdue, Trace. I mean, there are over 85 women that have come forward and accused Harvey Weinstein of sexual assault. This was an open secret in Hollywood. Everyone knew about it, and yet no one did anything until today. He's being charged on multiple criminal sex crimes, and if he gets convicted, even just of the 2 felonies, that's over 25 years in prison. So today, I think all of his victims should feel that they're at least, one step closer to justice. In this case.
Well, you heard from Ben Brafman earlier there. He's a pretty high-powered attorney, and you think, look, in the old days, the legal saying was, it's pretty difficult to prosecute sexual assaults and rapes, right? Because it's kind of a he said, she said.
That's right.
We're in the Me Too movement. A lot of stuff has changed.
Times have changed, and that's a good thing, because no more are these women going to be immediately not believed. No more can women just be attacked. We saw what happened in the Bill Cosby case, right? The second trial happened after the Me Too movement. And those jurors said, they sent a loud and clear message that we're convicting Bill Cosby, and the defense tactics of blaming the victim, saying that these women are just after money, that's not going to jive anymore. And I think that sentiment will resonate not only in this case, but in all sex cases moving forward.
And Laura brought up a good point, because people don't realize, look, there are still, a grand jury is hearing testimony from some of his accusers, right? London, there's an investigation. Los Angeles, an investigation. New York, still investigating. This is a very long road. For some reason, if he gets off of these 2 cases, he's got a long road ahead.
Oh, yeah, this is just the beginning. So he faces New York criminal charges. They're still investigating. There's a grand jury. London, Los Angeles, not to mention, Trace, the civil cases that have been filed against him by his victims. There are like at least 10 of those, and they're seeking millions of dollars against him.
But he's done either way. I mean, look, if he's not prosecuted here, Harvey Weinstein is done.
He's done. His career is over. His company is gone. His money is likely going to be gone. He's paying this high-profile defense attorney. And again, this is just the first criminal case. God knows how many more will come out now moving forward.
He has always maintained that the sex was never non-consensual. So that's his big deal. He's always said, look, I'm a bad guy. You can't really prosecute bad behavior. He's always said it's not non-consensual sex.
There's too many women that have come forward with similar stories, and it would be interesting to see if they don't enter a plea deal, if this judge will allow the other women, the other accusers, to testify in this trial like they did in the Bill Cosby case. If that happens, he's getting convicted for sure.
Anahita Sedaghatfar, one of our brightest legal minds.
Thank you, Trace. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Well, the